Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering what matters: your iPhone, the Apple ID you use, and the device serial or IMEI so checks are precise. Open Settings, tap General, then About to copy the serial. This ensures you query the right unit. Once done, make sure you have a payment receipt or order number handy because Apple Care activation and warranty status can hinge on purchase date verification. Now you're ready to move to the official check options using Apple's tools or the support app. You now use Apple's official tools to get authoritative results. Open the support app or visit the check coverage section on Apple's site and sign in with the same Apple ID tied to the device. Enter the serial or IMEI you copied. This matches the device to service records, so accuracy matters. Once the system returns results, you'll see whether you have active limited warranty, paid Apple Care Plus, or if coverage has expired. This tells you what repair options and costs to expect next. You finish by choosing the right service channel. Schedule a Genius Bar, authorized repair, or request a mail-in repair through Apple. Make sure to back up your iPhone via iCloud or local backup first. This protects your data during service. If coverage is absent, compare out-of-warranty repair pricing before approving work. If Apple can't find your serial, don't panic. Use the IMEI, provide the original receipt, or call Apple support so a specialist can verify ownership and help restore coverage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.